Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to continue from where we stopped on our crash course on Google AdMob. So finally, on the last video, our account application was approved for the AdMob program, and the ads has started displaying. So now let's go to the AdMob dashboard and see what it looks like. Okay, so you see total estimated earnings. So you see the statistics here. Estimated earnings 0.02, the request 280, impression 125, and the match rate 71.07%, and the ECPM is $0.17. Okay, and you can see it's showing the performance for this particular app. Okay, so like I said, that once everything start picking up and the ads start displaying, once you download the app is an app that helps you send and receive gifts globally. So you can send gifts to your friends and loved ones for the birthdays, wedding anniversary, graduation, award, for corporate gifting. Companies can send award to their best staff and all that. So now we can also go ahead and click on the apps and click on view all apps so that we can check out the app.txt that we uploaded in our last video and see if the Google crawler has been able to, detect the crawler and show it under this platform. It said under 24 hours. So you see Vola, okay? You see, it was able to identify the ads.txt, which you can see here. You see, store Google Play, last scroll 2 hours ago. So it was able to identify this 2 hours ago. So you see, he said the app ads.txt file found and verified. Okay. So we did a great job here. 100% of queries app.txt found and seller account authorized. Less than 1% of queries app.txt posted, but no seller account authorized. Less than 1% of queries, no app.txt found. So guys, that is exactly how to do this and get your AdMob ads up and running on your Android or iOS phone. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to look at other things, and I'm going to do a video showing the app and the ads running inside of them. Okay. So that'll be all for this video. I expect to see you in the next video. I will say bye for now. Okay.